And may stop momentarily. For your safety, remain seated at all times. During your slow-moving journey, your time will show you slowly.
This is Spaceship Ground Control. Welcome aboard on the map of where you're from.
Recording our knowledge on tape. It was only one small problem. When we moved, the recorded knowledge stayed behind. Now let's prepare to ancient Egypt, because something is about to happen here that will change the future forever. Technology and the birth of the high-tech life we enjoy today.
Ulis monis, afin Sofian eplidu catatifer. Uranos, teie, catecum bala mistir. Et vol, lion de apod
Now states the cut.
And the great library of Alexandria, Egypt is burned. Much of our learning is destroyed. copies of some of these books in the libraries of the Middle East, being watched over by Arab and Jewish scholars. Call it the first backup system. The books are saved, and with them our dreams of the future.
Dateline Berlin. Against all odds, Americans get the Olympic before the
By now, we're able to communicate people from anywhere on Earth. And in 1969, from somewhere else.
Of course, all steps for man. One giant leap for mankind.
To send a man to the moon, we had to invent a new language, spoken not by man, but by computers. At first very large, very expensive computers, but we'll see them in the future. The solution is, of all places, a garage in California. Young people with passion for shaping the future put the power of the computer in everyone's hands. Together we form a super network that years into production. And once again, we stand on the brink of a here we are, a truly global community, poised to shape the future of this, our spaceship Earth.
Please remain seated, time travelers. Attention, travelers. Please remain seated. Your time machine is rotating backward for your return to Earth. In preparation for your return to Earth, your time machine is now rotating backward. Please remain seated. Attention, you are now rotating backward for your return to Earth. Please remain seated. Attention.
For the first time in history, all of us can have a say about the kind of world we want to live in. The choices we have made for the past 30,000 years have been inventing the future one day at a time. And now, it's your turn. Let's have some fun creating the future, shall we? On your computer screen, answer a few questions for us. Then we'll show you a new world, custom made just for you. Ready? Well done. Now, along with your answers, let's add in some amazing new technology that we happen to know about. And now I believe your future is just about ready. Let's take a look, shall we?
Welcome to the future. Or should I say, your future. Thanks to you, the color of the future is green. Your pedal-powered bike requires no fuel, and your green home conserves and generates its own energy. Your garden is filled with fruits and vegetables, grown with recycled water or distilled seawater. Your green home will have its own water recycling system, and even the walls will be recycled. Things you use every day, from plastic bottles to blue jeans, will be recycled into building materials. Without sacrificing your comfort, your living room can be an actual living room, with real grass providing a natural carpet. And the beach is never far away, thanks to digital displays that can create the environment you prefer. You can live the good life and the green life in your home in the city, because in the future, every day is Earth Day. The end. Or should I say the beginning of your future.
So here's to the next 30,000 years on Spaceship Earth. While no one knows for sure what we'll see or do, I do know it will be quite an adventure. An adventure that we'll take and make together. See you in the future.